Hello friends, we are going to study the revolve command in Creo software. In previous video we see the hold command. So if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it, CADMech channel. So let's start it. New part with respect to your drawing. Use the default template to give the unit. This is in inches MMNS with respect to your application. Okay. So revolve command is done by the two method, directly with respect to the sketch or with respect to the revolve. First we see with respect to the sketch. This is the front plane sketch. So to revolve we need the construction one center line. The center line is available. This is a geometric center line and this is a construction center line. Please don't avoid this center line. This is used for only the sketching purpose or for drawing purpose, for with respect to the reference only. This center line is a geometric center line. So use this only center line. Most of the students forget to use this center line. So first draw the center line. Okay. Then draw a simple line. Suppose we want to draw the simple bolt. Dimension it with respect to your application. If you want to give the dimension, give from this here also. If you want to give the dimension, the two method, by the direct normal or click on this button, or also select this hole and give this with respect to there. This is the modify dimension. This is the modify dimension tool. So select with respect to the diagram, or otherwise if you draw the sketch, I give the with respect to the normal dimension. Okay, then give the OK button. So our sketch is completed. Then select the revolve command. This is the revolve command. So directly sketch if you take the revolve command, directly the revolve feature is appear in the graphical user interface. So this is a simple method by the sketch option. Okay. This is the first method by the direct sketch, and you draw the sketch, then you use the revolve command. The second method is without taking the sketch, directly select your command and draw it in the revolve option. It is called as fly in option. So I am closing this, taking new part against MNS. Okay. Now I am using without sketch option, directly revolve command. Sorry. Take sketch. Now draw it. First I am using center line, geometric center line. Note this center line. Give dimension with respect to your drawing. Then OK. This is the revolve command. You got the bolt directly. Revolve command use whenever circular portion is there, then you use the revolve command. Note this point. OK. These are two methods for drawing the revolve. The first is sketch and second is the revolve. Always use this revolve. This is the fly in the option, because is that not model tree, our model tree. So when you use this directly revolve, that is fly in option, this is the best modeling strategy and you directly edit easily. Okay friends, this is the revolve command. If you want to know about more knowledge, so please write on comment box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.